a highlight of my visit to the open-air museum Hjerl, located in Vinderup between Skive, Struer and Holstebro in West Jutland, Denmark, is a fascinating cultural history museum that offers a unique glimpse into rural life in Denmark from the 1500s to the 1900s. Established in 1930 by Hans Peter Hjerl Hansen, the museum features a collection of preserved and reconstructed buildings, historic gardens, old Danish livestock breeds, and examples of traditional agricultural crafts. One of the most notable aspects of Hede is its collection of buildings, which are not arranged as a coherent village, but rather as individual homes from different times and places. This approach allows visitors to experience the diversity of rural architecture and living conditions throughout Danish history. The oldest building in the museum is Vinkelgården, which dates back to the winter of 1545-46 and is considered the oldest preserved farmhouse in Denmark. The museum also includes a variety of other structures, such as a boulade from Haysager, circa 1777, a stud mill from Frøsløv, 1778, a water mill from Vesterby, a smallholder's farm from Kvosted, 1815, a school building from Hinge, 1823, and a reconstructed Romanesque church modelled after Turing Church. These buildings provide a comprehensive overview of rural Danish architecture and building practices over several centuries. Hede is known for its use of living history to engage visitors. This means that in the workshops and houses, people work with traditional crafts and use old methods, bringing the past to life in a tangible and interactive way. This approach not only educates visitors about historical practices, but also helps preserve these traditional skills for future generations. In addition to its historical buildings and living history demonstrations, Hede also focuses on the conservation of old Danish livestock breeds and traditional Danish crafts. The museum's efforts in these areas ensure that important aspects of Denmark's cultural heritage are maintained and appreciated. Thank you for watching. See you soon.